Have you ever ordered something expensive online and worried about what might actually be inside the box? Well, one PC builder recently experienced every computer enthusiast's nightmare. Instead of receiving a brand new Nvidia RTX 5070 graphics card worth around $700, they reportedly opened the package and discovered something completely different. Inside the box was a DVD rewriter, a mousepad, and what appeared to be a damaged circuit board from an old Kenwood audio receiver. Needless to say, there was no graphics card anywhere to be found. The incident quickly gained attention online after the customer shared photos of what they received. According to reports, the graphics card was an MSI Ventus 2X RTX 5070 purchased through Amazon. Even more surprising, the item was reportedly shipped and sold by Amazon itself rather than a random third-party seller. So, how does something like this happen? The most likely explanation is what's known as a return swap scam. Here's how it typically works. Someone buys an expensive product, removes the valuable item from the box, and replaces it with random objects that weigh roughly the same amount. The scammer then returns the package, often claiming they simply changed their mind or no longer need the product. If the return package passes basic inspection, it can accidentally end up back in inventory and be resold to another customer. That unlucky customer becomes the next victim when they receive a box that looks legitimate on the outside but contains worthless junk on the inside. This type of fraud has been reported for years and doesn't only affect graphics cards. Customers have reported similar issues involving processors, laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles, and other expensive electronics. The reason graphics cards are such popular targets is simple. They're small, valuable, and easy to resell. A modern GPU can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, making it attractive to scammers looking for a quick profit. The good news is that in many cases, online retailers have refund and return systems designed to protect customers. If you ever receive the wrong item, document everything immediately. Take clear photos of the package, shipping labels, box contents, and any signs of tampering. If possible, record an unboxing video whenever you're opening expensive hardware. That evidence can make it much easier to prove your case if a dispute arises. It's also important to inspect high-value purchases as soon as they arrive rather than letting them sit unopened for days or weeks. The faster a problem is reported, the easier it is for customer support teams to investigate. Stories like this can damage customer trust, especially when the purchase comes directly from a major retailer. Most customers expect that buying from a trusted source significantly reduces the risk of fraud. Unfortunately, scams involving product returns continue to happen because they exploit weaknesses in the inspection process. The lesson here isn't necessarily to avoid buying computer hardware online. Instead, it's a reminder to stay vigilant, document expensive purchases, and check every order carefully before throwing away the packaging. What do you think about this RTX 5070 incident? Have you ever ordered a product online and received something completely different? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could help someone else avoid making the same mistake. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology news, scam alerts, and consumer protection updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.